Wait, do we even check if the mic's good? What's up, boys and girls? Justin Spriet here, and today I'm going to show you my Fit Savage with Odyssey parts. Yeah. I guess we'll start at the top. We got some Hoder grips, S&M, comfy, very nice. Moving down, we are going to the Van Homan Vandal Bars, Fit Bike Co. Very nice, I think 29 wide by 9 tall, very good. Moving down, stem. I keep saying moving down. It's kind of like my thing for this one. Moving down. All right, we got an Odyssey stem, yeah, cool, okay. We got this Odyssey headset. It's a headset, same shit, you know? Okay, moving down to these beautiful flat black forks. These are the Shiv V3s. I believe they're the V3s, I think. All right, let's move to the middle of my bike, yeah? The drive train area, if you will. We're running the Fit Mac pedals in this really nice swirl pattern. Cranks are the Odyssey, no, not the Thunderbolts. Odyssey Thunderbolts. We have an Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket, 28 bad boy. What chain do I have? Why are you laughing?
Why are you sitting on the toilet, dude?
I can't sit, I don't want to get like that far. Let me see what it looks like. I could be. Yeah, we got an Odyssey chain. I think it's a Bluebird, pretty sure. It's chill. All right, moving upwards. We've got a Odyssey monogram seat. Nice, plain, you know. Odyssey tripod C-post.
Yeah, what kind of peg you using?
Pegs? These pegs actually are the Odyssey, what are they called? All right, we got Odyssey pegs, Odyssey plastics. They're great. They slide good. They're great. Wheels?
Do you have wheels?
Not at the moment, but soon. We got the back wheel. We'll start with the back wheel. You know, we're over here, we might as well. We have a G Sport rib cage rim. I have a G Sport rib cage rim with, I don't know what kind of spokes there, I'm not gonna lie. With this beautiful, get in here, beautiful clutch coaster made by Odyssey. Very nice. We got just a little chiller, a little fucking plastic hub guard, just comes with it. It's very nice. Is that it? No, front wheel. We have a front wheel too, guys, don't worry. Aerospace, Odyssey Aerospace rim. Very nice. I don't know what kind of spokes. Probably the same ones as the back, I don't know. Front hub is a Odyssey anagram hub with one hub guard. And the tires, I forgot about the tires. We've got some beautiful Odyssey Dugans on backwards. And they're very grippy. I like them a lot. Save the best for last, people. This is the 21 Savage in black. And yeah, very good. Pretty short back end. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know the back end, but you can look it up on fitbikeco.com. You'll probably find it there. I bet you will. Yeah, I think that's probably gonna do her up. What do you think? Oh, that was bad, dude. I haven't even checked where I'm like at right now. Oh, by the way, we're in my living room right now. This is where I'm posting up at the moment. But yeah, just living. Shitty will be hyped. He's my boy.
Watch out!
All right, guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos, then subscribe to the come up and shout out to Fit Bike Co, Odyssey, Etney Shoes. Check that shit right there. It's good shit. And the Secret BMX. And thank you, follow us on Instagram. Yeah, have a nice day. Catch you fucking later. Ah, shit. You gotta pull. We're good. It doesn't work. Oh, fuck! Fuck. All right, we're good. We're out. We're done. Cut. Done. Done.